Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a daisy roe cake. Let's get started. I started out frosting an 8-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and cut out a bunch of small daisies. My plunger cutter leaves the edges a bit ragged, so I press that part with my finger. Then I cut out a couple of large daisies. Then I placed small daisies in a row on the side of the cake. Then I rolled out some green fondant and cut out a bunch of leaves from it. I placed the leaves under the small daisies on the side. I set the rest aside while I rolled out some more green fondant and cut strips of it and placed it as stems under the daisies. And I placed a few leaves on the stems of the large daisies. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant and I cut out some tiny flowers out of it and placed them on the large daisies. And a bunch of small yellow circles and placed them on the small daisies on the side. I think this cake is adorable. It just screams springtime to me and is perfect for a springtime celebration. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.